This week it hit me. I was like, you know what? Enough playing Fortnite. It's time to get out and do something cool. So that's when I hit up the boys. We got together, hung out, did some skateboarding, ran through the woods with a flashlight in the middle of the night. It was pretty fun. So come along for the adventure. Later that night when the sun was completely down, I just decided to head out on my street and film the cars going by. I don't often do night filming, so it's kind of a fun opportunity. Also, I kind of also just needed an escape. Filming is just always my happy place.
So my brother just got home.
Sorry, can I get that one more time?
Well, that pretty much wraps up this week. Hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned for next week. See you then. Peace.